Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find your saved or downloaded YouTube videos on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open up your YouTube application in your mobile device and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the U icon right over here. Now inside here, if you wish to see your downloads, go ahead and simply tap on the download button. And here you will be able to find all of your downloads on YouTube. But if you want to find your saved videos, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the playlist and then simply tap on view all button. Here you then will find watch later videos, tap onto it, and just like that, inside here, you'll be able to find save to watch later videos on YouTube. But keep in mind, you need YouTube Premium for offline downloads. If you added a video to a playlist, you need to go ahead and simply scroll down, and here you'll be able to find all of your playlists that you have created on YouTube. And that's it. That's how you can find all of your saved and downloaded YouTube videos in your library and tap the one you want. That is how you can find all of your saved and downloaded YouTube videos on iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.